So, two grown-up adults met themselves in a plane and they started fighting.
No, now you don't reach like this. Who attack each other first? Something.
Very Dark Man and Mr. Jollof. It's so funny how some people take their social media boosts into real life. For women, yes, I know that happens a lot. But for men, I rarely see that. So, Very Dark Man got into the plane and saw Mr. Jollof. And he told Mr. Jollof, "You must slap me today."
God back on that for flag. We'll slap you on that. One life is up.
No, now you don't reach like this. Who attack each other first? Something.
Okay, so in their previous fights, in their previous social media fights, Mr. Jollof said anytime he set his eye on
Why now?
Very Dark Man, he will slap him, he will beat him. And I'm sure Very Dark Man that period said, "They don't born you well. I go pieces you."
No, now.
So today, Very Dark Man got into the plane and saw Mr. Jollof and told Mr. Jollof, "You must slap me today. Now I'm seeing you. Now you are seeing me. Oh yeah, do what you have threatened to do." And they started talking back at each other. And this is what ended it.
This is rubbish now. This is rubbish now. I don't outside plane. No, now. Video, you never reach like that. No, now.
So why would grown-up adults do this to themselves? I mean, you can't control yourself, or you have the urge to prove that you're a man so you can fight. What is that law again about people fighting in the plane? That's not an act of terrorism. But there are so many things in Nigeria that amount to terrorism. I don't know. So did the airport security come to carry these two people? But they just walk free like nothing happened? Because remember what happened on Ibom Air, Air Peace, Value Jet. So what happened? Anyway, at the end, we saw Red Darkman working on the lounge and then saying that yes, he's the one that won the fight.
Oh, I don't chop jollof, father. Where's that place? See, they bite me. Man, where they bite? They bite. Man, where they bite? You know, shame, they bite me. Man, where they bite? You even bite me. Man, where they bite?
So Mr. Jollof actually beat Very Darkman, as in he bite him very close to his chest, actually on his breast, almost at his nipple. Is Mr. Jollof staffed of this sucking thing? What did Jollof say to that? I don't know. So let's see how the law will take care of these two people, their actions, fighting in the plane or fighting on the plane. We shall see.